everybody and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Base Box for November 2020. So before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess, which your girl is like mass struggle bus hot mess today. So anyways, fortunately it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, we chat, we have a good old time. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so first and foremost, before I forget, because the struggle is real today, let's get into the weight. Everybody always asks me what the weight of my box is. This was sent over to me in PR, so I don't have the actual weight of it. So I've got my mail scale sitting here. I came to 13.2 ounces. So I don't know why people ask me what the weight of the box is, so leave us a comment down below. If you are one that is always curious about the weight of the box, let us know why, because I am definitely curious about it. I always have people go, why are you telling us that? And I'm like, I don't know, people just ask. So anyways, like I said, this is going to be the unboxing of our base box for November. Now the base box is $25 a month, and you do get to customize one item in the box. Now this box was sent over to me in PR, so thank you to Boxycharm for sending this over my way to unbox and review for you guys. This video is not sponsored or anything like that, so I have no idea what they have put in this box. So jumping right in, we do have a little card. Now they do theme all of their boxes every single month. This month's theme is Boxycharm Harvest, and we do on the other side of the card get an idea of we get a description of everything that's in the box, as well as the retail value of it, as well as the variation, which down here we have variation 40. So jumping right into the first item I see in here is by Jouer. This was actually their choice item for November, and this is the Essential Lip Enhancer, and I actually did purchase this in add-ons, and I really like it. It had a retail value of $17, and it really helps to not only hydrate your lips, but it also says it's supposed to, I guess over time, help with the lines that you see on your lips. So I'm always happy to get a second one, just because of the fact that I keep one on my desk and I'll put this one upstairs. Like I said, it has a $17 value. It's infused with good for you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. So like I said, I really like this. I already have one open, so this will go upstairs. The next item I see in here, well, this is kind of interesting. The next item I see in here is by NIT Cosmetics Lip Oil. So I have another lip product. This is the perfect product for those of you who want hydration and moisture, but only a flush of color. This lip oil can easily be applied on the go, on top of lipstick, or an added sheen. Okay, so that makes sense. This one is definitely clear. It just kind of gives you a glisten to your lips, and this one has a little bit of a tint to it. It does have a retail value of $11. The next item I see in here is by Earth Harbor. This is the Anti-Pollution Youth Apuli. I think I just received this in a different subscription. Is this the same one? It is. This stuff is really good, guys. So this I would recommend, like if you do like any type of exfoliating, like with those devices kind of dealio, and your skin gets a little like inflamed or what have you, or even if you do a mask and your skin gets a little like red afterwards, put a couple drops of this. You can put it right onto your skin. You can mix it up, whatever you want, and it really helps to calm down the skin. So this has a retail value of $48. HAILEY'S Anti-Pollution Youth Apuli is a mighty ambrosia, I think is how you say it. Probably not, but that's okay, because I'm already like as far as that goes. It's a ultra reparative plant stem cells and fountain of youth preserving red algae. It has restored antioxidants. It balances the skin's pH and smooths fine lines and wrinkles. Like I said, I have received this in another subscription, and this is a wonderful product. it's a natural product as well as far as that goes. So anyways, this is what it looks like. It's in a nice glass jar. You have a little squeezy dropper, and it is plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten, no soy, small batch made, and woman-owned brand. So I did receive a 25% off Natasha Denona. Use the code NDXBOXY. I wonder if this would work on her new eyeshadow palette, because that's a better deal than if you do the Sephora sale. Just a thought. So okay, so I already know what this is, so I am going to set this aside to gift. Are you following me over on Instagram? Just wondering. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is her Peak palette. I actually have some of the shades on today. Now this is a palette that Natasha Denona actually put together for Boxycharm. These are all shades that are in current palettes that she does have, and none of the shades are like new, but like I said, they are all pulled from different palettes that she already has, and I love this palette. This palette, I feel like she curated perfectly for everybody. I think it's gonna work for so many people. The formula is absolutely beautiful. You know how much I love Natasha Denona formulas. This has a retail value of $48. It's a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. Honestly, I thought some was from the Sunset palette as well, but I'm wrong. Anywho, I think this palette is absolutely wonderful. It's great. Like I said, make sure you're following me over on Instagram. I'm trying really hard to get to that 10K. And also make sure you're following Hailey as well over on her channel. I'm trying to get her monetized. So that palette is in here. And then last but not least, we're seeing some Audiography Professional Cosmetics. This is the eye pencil 2-pack. And let's see what shades we got in here. Okay, so we've got Black Walnut and Onyx. So these are like the pencil type of liners. So that is a 2-pack. And these do have a retail value of $16 as far as that goes. So let me go ahead and tally everything up for you guys. Okay guys, so like I said, this box is $25 a month. That is with tax and free shipping, and I did get a total of $140 of everything in variation 40. So let's talk about my thoughts on this box. Is it my favorite box that I've ever received? No, not at all. But at the same time, I think the outstanding product for this box would definitely be the Natasha Denona palette. Like I said, this has a retail value of $48. So this in itself paid for the box. I mean, if you think about it, guys, her mini palettes are $25. And just to give you guys an idea of the size difference, you can see right here, you're definitely getting a lot of product for the price. So this is $25. So the price of this box is the price of a mini palette. We're getting a full size 5-pan palette, which does have the retail value of $48. Now, are the items in here good? Yes. Like I told you guys, this Earth Harbors HAILEY'S serum is an excellent serum. And of course, the Jouer product, very good. I'm a little bummed to see another lip oil in here and the pencils, but to me, it's not the end of the world. You can use the pencils along with this palette and it's going to be beautiful. But you know, you can't, I would be lying to you guys if I said I loved every single subscription box of every item that I received in the box. I'd be fibbing, because you kind of got to keep an open mind when it comes to a subscription. You know you're not going to like every little thing in the box. So like I said, this may not be my favorite Boxycharm variation that I've ever received, but I think it definitely pays for itself in, you know, with just a couple of the products. So anyways, guys, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. What did you receive in your box? What are you most looking forward to? And what was your choice for your November base box. I'll be coming back and doing a premium unboxing. I also purchased the base and the premium box myself, so I will be unboxing those for you guys as well. Like I said, make sure to go check Hailey's channel out, check out my vlog channel, and don't forget to be following me over on my Instagram. And my camera didn't even want to listen to me anymore and cut off. Anyways guys, that's all for today's video. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.